I did not know much about Homes by Tabor. My friends that had utilized them for their home building had good things to say about them. Since I have built a house and lived in it for several months, I would say the same thing. I'm really happy with the company. Michael Roof, and I live in Stone Ridge Farms. I had set out to build a home. I really had the time to go out and look for a builder or how I wanted to start instead of just having to find a house to move in. Everything that was picked out or designed, and actually living there and seeing that it actually went together well, worked out really well, and it's just a beautiful house to look at. If they have to have a vendor or a contractor come out, it seems to be really quick to take care of stuff. I would definitely recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family. I really don't have anything negative to say. It's just been a great experience, and I think going forward, anybody else that would utilize them would have the same experience that I did.